Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion as a database for your no-code app, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. Create a new account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, explore the Notion interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Next, create a new page by clicking the New Page option in the sidebar. Select the database option when prompted. Choose the type of database that suits your needs, such as table, board, list, or gallery. Give your database a descriptive name to keep your workspace organized. Now, start adding properties to your database, like name, tags, and dates, by clicking the Add a Property button. For each property, choose the appropriate type, such as text, multi-select, or date. Continue to populate your database with entries that are relevant to your project. To integrate Notion with your no-code app, navigate to the Settings and Members section in the sidebar. Select Integrations and click on Develop Your Own Integration. Fill in the required fields like name and icon, and then click Submit. Next, go back to your database and click on the Share button. Invite the newly created integration by pasting the integration email or selecting it from your workspace. Ensure the integration has the necessary permissions to access and modify your data. Now, switch to your no-code app builder platform. Locate the section for adding integrations or APIs within your project. Enter the integration token into the designated field to connect your app to Notion. Test the connection by attempting to retrieve data from your Notion database. If successful, you'll see the entries from your database displayed in your app. Customize how the data is shown in your app to enhance user experience. You can set up triggers or actions based on the data your app receives from Notion. Continue refining and expanding your database as your no-code app evolves. Remember to regularly update both your Notion database and your app for seamless performance. Once everything is set up, explore additional features offered by Notion to enhance functionality. By following these steps carefully, you can effectively utilize Notion as the database for your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.